Hey guys, welcome back to the Math Bench. This week we're continuing Module 4 by building stronger strategies for adding and subtracting within 100. We'll use number bonds, place value charts, and even manipulatives to show how regrouping works when we bundle a new 10. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're learning this week. On Monday we're doing Lesson 3, add and subtract multiples of 10 and sum ones within 100. In Lesson 3, students solve addition and subtraction problems like 43 plus 30 or 82 minus 51 using number bonds or the arrow way. They will break the numbers apart by tens and ones to make mental math a lot easier. For example, 43 plus 30 means we're going to keep the 3 ones and just add 3 tens to make 73. They'll also explain how they use the mental math to find their answer, and this lesson will help the students see how place value patterns make addition and subtraction more efficient. On Tuesday, we'll do Lesson 4, which is similar to Lesson 3, add and subtract multiples of 10 and sum ones within 100. We're going to continue to use our number bonds, but we'll also be using strip diagrams as well. Another example, which is similar to what we did before, is 26 plus 38. The students can split 38 into 30 and 8, then add 26 plus 30. There you'll get 56. From the remaining 8 you have left, you can add 56 to get the answer 64. With Lesson 4 comes the rise of word problems as well. There are going to be different word problems that are going to connect strategies to real-world situations. The goal is to show that the same strategies we use with numbers can also help us solve our story problems clearly, and this will relate to when we do our application problems in class daily. On Wednesday, we'll be doing Lesson 5, solve 1 and 2 step word problems within 100 using strategies based on place value. In Lesson 5, students use their place value knowledge to solve word problems in 2 steps. For example, if a store sold 58 shirts and only had 25 left, we would have to add those 2 numbers to find the total that the store started with in regards to their shirt. This lesson will emphasize reading carefully, identifying what's being asked, and using the right operation to solve the word problem. On Thursday, we have Lesson 6, use manipulatives to represent the composition of 10 ones as 110 with 2-digit add-ins. Lesson 6 focuses on regrouping when our ones add up to more than 10. Students use place value disk or charts to represent problems like 53 plus 19. When they see that 9 ones and 3 ones make 12, they regroup 10 ones into 110, leaving 2 ones. This helps students visualize the process of bundling and why we carry over a new 10 when we add larger numbers. On Friday, we have Lesson 7, relating addition using manipulatives to a written vertical method. In Lesson 7, students take what they learned from manipulatives and move it into vertical form. For example, with 47 plus 34, they can use place value disk first, then record it vertically and bundle a 10 if it's needed. This shows how regrouping on paper connects directly to the hands-on model. By comparing both, students understand that the written method is just a faster version of what they've already been doing with place value. It also helps the fact that this is the traditional method that we see with adding from what we have seen from the past. And that's our week on the Math Bench. We learned to add and subtract using number bonds, strip diagrams, and place value models. We practiced regrouping when we make a new 10 and saw how to move from manipulatives to the standard vertical method. These lessons help students see how math builds step by step, from thinking through numbers to showing their work clearly. Thanks for watching this week's Math Bench preview. I'll see you next time. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend.